Welcome to Sales Storytelling. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how to use narratives to persuade and engage your prospects. You'll learn how to craft compelling stories that resonate with the people you're trying to reach. This is the foundation of modern sales, moving beyond features and benefits to create genuine human connections. Let's dive in. Sales storytelling goes beyond simply listing features and benefits. First, it's about connecting emotionally with your prospects through a narrative. Second, it helps you build trust and credibility by sharing authentic experiences that demonstrate real value. Third, it drives decision-making by influencing buying choices through memorable narratives. When you tell a story, people remember it far longer than if you just recite facts. That's the power of storytelling in sales. Let's look at the impact of storytelling with some compelling statistics. Stories are 65% more memorable than facts alone. They generate 300% higher engagement compared to traditional sales pitches. Stories are 5 times better at persuasion than data by itself, and 80% of people experience an emotional connection when they hear a well-told story. These numbers show why storytelling has become essential in modern sales. It's not just effective, it's transformative. Every great sales story has 4 essential elements. First, the hero. This is your customer or the user solving a real problem. They're the protagonist, not your company. Second, the challenge, the obstacle or pain point they faced before finding a solution. Third, the solution, how your product helped them overcome that specific problem. And fourth, the outcome, the measurable results and transformation they achieved. These 4 elements create a complete narrative arc that resonates with prospects. To tell your story effectively, follow this 4-part structure. Start with situation, set the scene and establish the context so your prospect understands the world your customer was operating in. Then introduce the complication, the problem or challenge that created urgency and pain. Next comes resolution, show how the problem was solved and what actions led to the breakthrough. Finally, deliver the impact, highlight the transformation achieved and the measurable results. This structure keeps your story organized, memorable, and persuasive. There are 4 main types of sales stories you should master. Success stories show how customers overcome challenges using your solution. These are powerful before and after transformations. Origin stories explain why your company exists and what founding purpose drives you, sharing the problem that sparked your creation. Proof stories provide specific examples that validate your claims with numbers, testimonials, and measurable results. Vision stories paint a picture of the future your solution enables. These are aspirational outcomes that inspire prospects. Each type serves a different purpose in your sales conversation. Here are 6 techniques for telling your sales story with maximum impact. Be authentic, share genuine experiences and real customer outcomes, not polished corporate narratives. Lead with emotion, connect feelings before presenting facts and features. Use their language, speak in terms your prospect understands and values, not industry jargon. Support with data, back your narratives with measurable results and proof points. Make them the hero, focus the story on customer success, not your company's achievements. Keep it concise, deliver the complete story in 2 to 3 minutes maximum. Any longer and you risk losing their attention. Be aware of these 6 common mistakes that undermine your storytelling. Don't talk about yourself. Avoid making the story about your company instead of the customer's journey. Don't make it too long. Losing prospect attention with overly detailed narratives defeats the purpose. Don't be inauthentic. Stories that feel rehearsed or forced instead of genuine will backfire. Don't lack relevance. Share stories that connect to your prospect's specific needs, not generic tales. Don't end without a clear takeaway. Every story needs a lesson or call to action. Don't use only generic stories. Customize your narratives for each prospect rather than repeating the same story to everyone. Let's recap the 3 most important lessons. First, stories connect emotionally. They create memorable experiences that facts and features alone cannot achieve. Second, structure matters. Follow the situation, complication, resolution, and impact framework to keep your stories organized and persuasive. Third, make prospects the hero. Focus on their transformation and success, not your product's features. Remember, every sale is a story waiting to be told. When you master the narrative, you master the sale. Start crafting your stories today and watch your sales conversations transform.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.